Most traders think they're losing because they need a better strategy. So they keep changing indicators, buying courses, searching for the perfect setup. But the truth is, many traders already have a strategy good enough to win. They just can't execute it consistently. The real problem usually isn't entries. It's what happens after the trade begins. Because once money is on the line, emotions take over. And that's where most traders lose. Point number 1. Good setups get destroyed by bad execution. A trader gets a valid setup, then they hesitate and enter late. Or they move the stop loss because they know it'll come back. Or they panic and take profit too early. The strategy didn't fail. Execution failed. A simple trading system can work well, but only if the trader follows it. Point number 2. Most traders don't need more strategy. They need more structure. They need position sizing that keeps them calm. They need daily loss limits that protect emotional capital. They need fixed exits instead of emotional decisions. They need a repeatable reward model where the math plays out over time. That's how professionals trade, not by guessing better, but by managing themselves better. Point number 3. Simplicity beats chaos. Most traders think more contracts means more money. Usually it means more stress, more fear, more mistakes, more impulsive decisions. Sometimes one contract traded with discipline can outperform oversized trading for months. Small size gives clarity. Clarity builds consistency. Consistency creates growth. That's the path most traders skip. So before you spend another month hunting for a new strategy, ask yourself, do I need better entries? Or do I need a better framework? That's exactly why I created the One Contract Framework. A simple system built around discipline, risk control, emotional stability, and scalable growth. If you're ready to stop gambling and start executing like a professional, check out my ebook in the description below. And if this helped, subscribe for more real trading psychology and prop firm content. Also, make sure to visit my website for more information and a free trade tracker download. Thanks for watching, and good luck in your trading journey.